recipe and it can be eaten with chapati and rice. And let's see how to prepare mushroom curry. Come, let's go to my kitchen. For garnishing the curry, I am adding some onions and capsicums and frying them in the oil. Half fried, not fully fried. Here is the mushroom, and mushroom is fried, and we'll see how to make the mushroom gravy. Here I have poured 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and we'll see how to make it. A few cloves, 2 peppers, 1 cardamom, ginger slices, 15 garlic cloves. The oil will splutter everywhere, so add the onions, stir them well. Cutting tomatoes. Now we'll add the tomatoes. Mix them well. Give it a good mix. Add a little bit of salt. And put the lid so that the tomatoes get cooked fast. Add a little bit of turmeric powder. And just mix it. We have transferred all the stouted ingredients, and now we have to grind it into a fine paste after it's cooled. Grind it into a fine paste. Now it has cooled, and I have taken some and kept for adding it in the curry. Here it is, what I have kept. And now we'll start preparing it. Paste is transferred to a bowl. Put your flame on and pour a little bit of oil. Now the oil is nice and hot, and I am adding some cumin. The oil is not clear because the vessel is which I have fried the masala. Stir this masala until raw smell goes. Give it a good mix. See, the masala is stouted well and the raw smell has gone, and now we'll add few more ingredients. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Now mix them well. Stir them for a few seconds. Ground paste is now stouted well, and now we can add water as much as needed. This is the water which I have washed the mixie jar. Now I have added enough water, and now I'll mix it well and let it start boiling. Now the curry has started boiling, and we can add the mushrooms. Here I am adding the fried mushrooms. Give it a good mix and let it boil for a few minutes. And now we'll check whether it has started boiling. Yes, it is boiling. And now we'll garnish it with capsicum and roasted onions and a little bit of the roasted tomato and onions which I took before making the paste. And now we'll switch off the flame and the curry is ready to serve. Before serving, garnish it with coriander leaves. Hey guys, you should try this recipe at your home and let me know your comments in the comment box. If you are new, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Until next, take care. Bye bye. Also don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Until next, take care. Bye bye.